Countdown to Union Budget begins. Today, we'll cover Nifty's bullish momentum, key support and resistance levels, market sentiment, and the impact of global trends. On 22nd July, the BJP-led NDA government will table the economic survey for 2023-24. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget in the Lok Sabha on 23 July at 11 a.m. The budget session will be from 22nd July to 12 August. Our call of the day suggests bulls will aim to take over the positive baton from Nifty's strong close in Friday's trade. Market sentiment is likely to be also bolstered by the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 as both closed at record highs on Friday. The good news, Friday's US jobs data points to a cooling but not collapsing economy. Softer June jobs report raises rate cut bets. Long story short, the Fed rate cuts are not far off. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1241 crores while DIIs were net sellers to the tune of Rs 1651 crores. Sentiments for the day in favor of bulls. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,700 to 25,000 zone. India VIX has slipped towards 12.69 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 1.43 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 1.22. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4324. Support, 24,200 to 24,100. Resistance, 24,400 to 24,500. Range, 24,200 to 24,500. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 660. Support, 52,200 to 52,000. Resistance, 52,900 to 53,100. Range, 52,200 to 52,900. Bias, sideways. Nifty benefits from its Friday's bullish momentum which saw benchmark climb to its highest closing level. In terms of percent rise, Nifty and Sensex are one of the best YTD performers, up 12% as against Dow Jones Index, which is just up 4.35%. This week, focus turns to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's testimony on Tuesday, 9 July 2024. All anxious eyes will also be on the US CPI data, 11th July, which could significantly impact Nifty's performance next week. TCS officially sets afire the ceremonial starters pistol for corporate India's Q1 earnings season followed by HCL Technologies, 12th July. Avenue Supermarts, 13th July. India's CPI and IIP data will trickle in on 12th July. India's retail inflation eased to a 12-month low of 4.75% in May 2024. We will however spy with one big eye if the food inflation slips below 8.69%.